Sumon Bay. It is easy and smooth to use, and I will definitely use it again next time when I need it. GPS. A SIM card is better than a regular SIM card. No need to swap SIM cards, no need to worry about losing your SIM card, and you can even receive calls to your own number. It in number 39, so convenient smile. The response was very quick and I felt at ease. I was able to enjoy my trip without worry. It takes a while to activate it after arrival, but then you can use it normally, with good speed and signal. It is convenient not to have to change the card. Except for the weaker signal in the remote countryside, it is very convenient to use in the city, and you can also make calls within the United States. You can download it directly on your mobile phone. The network is very smooth. It is recommended to use it. The setup was easy, the data speed was fast, and it seemed like I could make calls, although I didn't number 39 to use it, and yet it was so cheap I was impressed. I number 39, LL definitely buy it again. This was my first time using an eSIM, but I was able to use it without any problems. It in number 39, nice that I don't in number 39, have to change SIMs. I had plenty of gigabytes to spare when using Google Maps while driving. For some reason, I was surprised to receive a wrong call from an elementary school in Guam. This is my first eSIM, so I thought it might be better to activate it in Japan beforehand, but when I bought it, it seemed like the days would start counting as soon as you activate it. The instructions said that, so I didn't in number 39, check it properly. Please be careful. I bought 8 days of unlimited data in Guam. The speed in the city can reach 5G, and it is also quite smooth in remote areas. I can also share the hotspot with my family. It is very worthwhile. This price includes unlimited data and calls. It in number 39, a good deal even if you don't in number 39, use calls. If you rent a car in Guam, you in number 39, use your smartphone as a navigation system, so unlimited data is very helpful. I was able to use it as soon as I arrived at the airport, and had no problems communicating anywhere in the city. I had a comfortable trip to Guam. When I arrived in Guam, I switched to eSIM from the SIM manager in the settings. I restarted my smartphone and it was activated immediately. I was able to connect comfortably anywhere. Although the phone number was not displayed, I was able to make calls without any problems. I will repeat this.